Hello everyone, this is BY, I'm the greatest man alive, and today I'm going to be comparing the Jordan 1 ZOOM Zen Green to the Jordan 1 Bloodline, and I'm going to be telling you my opinion on whether I think the zoom in the Jordan 1 Zen Green actually adds a noticeable level of comfort compared to the regular Jordan 1. Hope you all enjoy. If you guys enjoy this video, then make sure to leave a like, and if you are new, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing, as it is a free way for you to support my channel and to help me grow. Thanks. The Jordan 1 Bloodline is comprised of a complete leather upper, and the only cushioning it has in this full rubber sole is a small air unit embedded into the rubber. I've heard many times that people say that the Jordan 1 is not very comfortable, but in my experience, this Jordan 1 is actually not too bad. Just walks around the block or just going to the mall, it's pretty adequate in my opinion. But I could see, like, if you're going to the plane and waiting in line for a while, it might not be that comfortable. But that's because shoes nowadays have evolved a lot in their cushioning setup. I think Jordan Brand made a great decision by deciding to upgrade the Jordan 1 and by adding a full-length Zoom sole and making it more wearable for people nowadays, and upgrading it into the modern times. The retail price of the shoes are almost identical, with this shoe being $170 and this one being $175, I guess, for the added zoom cost. When I put this shoe on for the first time, the only thing I noticed about its comfort was that it was just not as bouncy and plush as the shoes nowadays. Jordan Brand, I guess, decided that they wanted to change that in this shoe, and right when I put it on, I could tell right away how much bouncier the shoe was. It was amazing, and I would probably say that this is like my most comfortable shoe in my collection right now. Since these are Jordan 1s, you can't hope to find them in the Nike for retail, so this one costs around $200 to $220. This one costs around $240. I would definitely say this is worth it for me because, as I said, it's the most comfortable shoe in my collection, and I can wear it for a lot more walks and just as a comfort shoe in general. And I especially like the suede that this shoe comes with, which doesn't let it crease as much as these leather shoes do. Thank you all for watching the video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you'd like to see more videos like this regarding sneakers, then make sure to leave a like, and if you're new, please subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below and by liking the video if you'd like to see a sneaker collection video. I don't have that many sneakers, but the ones I have I think are pretty cool. Thanks, and hope you have a good day or night wherever you are.